I'm taking a variable num and I'm storing a string value 7. Again take another variable. In that I am storing odd of that num minus odd of character 0. Now this odd of num converts odd of 7. Actually ASCII values start from 0 to 9 will be 48, 49 up to so on. Now for this odd of num will become 55 and now odd of character 0 will become 48. 55 minus 48 will be 7. Now try to print num1 will get 7. Again try to print the type of that num1 will get integer type. This is how to convert string to integer, but the string must be single character.